Yo.
Hello, Shorty. What are you doing?
Nothing. Sitting here watching the game, smoking some bud.
Are you all alone?
What's up? What's up?
Who's that?
Yo, pick up the phone. What's up?
What's up?
Yo, Duque, pick up the phone. Yo.
What's up?
What you doing?
Step out of the car and now I'm walking into her house. So loud, there's people talking up a storm cloud about the things they wanna do to me now. Oh yeah. So I heard that you've been looking for a new man, and now I gotta come up with a game plan. Oh, I'm digging deeper than I should. I only have eyes for you. I only have love for two, and now I'm gonna give it all to you, to you, to you. 'Cause I only have eyes for you, and now that it's time to choose, I know I'm gonna give it all to you, to you, to you. What do I do? I'm sick of looking all around here for you. I started sipping on my Grey Goose. And nothing's making me forget you. Oh no. Damn girl, I think I'm getting closer to you right now. I can taste it on my tongue and I'll scream out how I want you so bad. Yeah. I only have eyes for you. I only had love for two, and now I'm gonna give it all to you, to you, to you. 'Cause I only have eyes for you, and now that it's time to choose, I know I'm gonna give it all to you, to you, to you. I only have eyes for you, and I gotta make a move. I'm gonna bring it all to you, all to you.